There is a fairly new website that pays people up to $24 per hour. No special skills needed, and you can work remotely from anywhere with your laptop or even your phone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am so glad you dropped by. And all my returning subscribers, you are simply the best. In this channel, I create videos about the best ways, the legit ways to make real money online. So if that appeals to you, go ahead and subscribe, click on the bell notification icon so that you would always be among the first to see my new videos. Today, I will walk you step by step on how you can start earning from Stellar AI, which is an AI platform that pays you for helping to train artificial intelligence. I am sure most of you are familiar with that process. Those of you that use ChatGPT, I'm sure you have experienced a situation whereby you ask specific questions, and at the end of the day, the AI will ask you how it performed, whether it answered well or not. You can now go ahead and give your rating. So OpenAI does not pay you for that, but this platform Stellar AI will pay you for doing similar jobs. So this company was started in August 2023, and it has its headquarters in Indianapolis in Indiana, that is USA, and they hire people from all over the world to help to rate, review and compare AI model responses. This is their homepage. And as you can see here, they pay up to $25 per hour with flexible hours remotely. So it means that you can work when you want to work and where you want to work. But before we go further, let's see if there are people who have worked with this company before and they have gotten paid, because it is not good to waste your time on things that do not work. So it is better you look at what people who have worked for the company have experienced, so that you know if you can try your luck in the company. Normally, the best place to examine this type of websites is on trustpilot.com. But like I said earlier, Stellar AI is a new firm that just started in 2023. So they don't have any reviews yet on Trustpilot, but they have multiple user experiences and reviews and comments on Reddit. So let's head over to Reddit and see what users are saying about the platform. So here we are on Reddit, and we have Big Daddy Steve that has commented. That's Big Daddy Steve who has commented. He said, my experience with Stellar AI. I started looking for online work a couple of months back as I am in school, broke, and really wanted to reverse the trend of increasing my credit card debt. I'm sorry, Dave Ramsey, I don't know who that is. I applied to every data annotation platform known to man. He goes ahead to list some of the platforms, but Stellar AI accepted me almost immediately within 2 days, I think, and offered a qualification for a project within a few days. Unlike other platforms, Stellar AI actually pays you $40 to take a qualification for a project. Since passing this qualification, I have had consistent work at $25 per hour. I actually make more than $25 now that I'm a reviewer. Also, the company pays every Tuesday on the dot, and I've never had any problems. I've never had any problems here. I have experience using data annotation and can say Stellar AI is like years better. That is very powerful, guys. But let's look at another review or comment or whatever you may call it, or experience. So we have another comment from Houghton Floor 920, and it says, anyone gotten paid yet today? And if you keep scrolling down, you will see some of the comments. This guy Pink Nova said, just got mine. Eman Official Music said the same. That means he just got his. This one says, note that he says will be paid January 28. It's only been January 28 for a few hours. I've reached payment as late as 5:45 a.m. It is currently 5:35 a.m. my time. They have added a lot of workers. I imagine that it takes more time to process the payments. Everyone take a chill. And if you keep scrolling down, this one says it just came. Everyone remember this new week. Everyone remember this next week. So if you keep scrolling down, you will just discover that they are getting paid. This one said, I have been paid. This one says it usually comes earlier though. If you keep scrolling down again, this one said, I just got paid. That is Artistic Wave 8460. Just got paid, guys. Tiny Pepper 1352 also replied, just got paid. Got payment. So you see that they are receiving payments in batches. Some say they have not gotten, while others say they have gotten. So we see here that people are getting paid. So personally, I believe that this opportunity is worth checking out. So now, how do you get started? To get started, you just click on Explore Jobs. But before we go ahead to click on Explore Jobs, let us explore the website a little bit. So if we scroll down, you will see that they say there we employ people with diverse skills and knowledge. Have a university degree and looking for a flexible job, you are in the right place. So we have a lot of people that are using the platform. So we see that you can work from home, you can work as much as you want, straightforward hourly rates, flexible work hours, no previous experience needed, diverse tasks. So basically the jobs that you are going to do will involve basically three things. The first one is select which AI chatbot answer is the best. So in this task, you will be asked to write a question for an AI chatbot on a topic you are familiar with. You will then get two different answers and you will need to judge which of the two is better. You have to look at the various aspects of the answers such as truthfulness, relevance, tone, and length. That is the first category of task. The second one is correct answers from AI chatbots in your field. In this task, you will be asked to write a question for a chatbot on a topic you are an expert on. The chatbots will then produce an answer, and your task is to both grade but also fix the answer. You will need to do a detailed fact check, add any missing information, and fix overall structure and tone. In this task, you can use Google to get the facts in order to train the AI correctly. Then the last work is demonstrate how to do online research for a topic. So this one will also involve Google. In this task, you will be demonstrating the steps needed to do an online research on a specific topic. You will be asked to come up with an online research topic and then capture all the steps you need to take in order to do the research. So you see that these are the things, very easy things to do. So let's go ahead and click on Explore Jobs. So when you click on Explore Jobs, you are shown this interface. It says discover available positions. Find the perfect role that matches your skills and aspirations. So here you have a lot of options. The first one is Physics PhD plus Python, Chemistry PhD plus Python. A lot of options. If you don't have all the qualifications listed in the above, you can click on Generalist. This one is $25 per hour. While these other ones that require qualification like Physics PhD, you can have $100 per hour. $100. This one is 70. Senior software engineer, 70 hours, $70 per hour. So let's click on Generalist. So when you click on Generalist, you are also given further detail. But let's scroll down. When you scroll down, you click on Apply for this position. Here, you just feed in your email, your password, and you go ahead and click on Register. We are not going to do that in this video, but it is very simple. And then you will be asked some very simple questions that will check your grammar, your logic, and your comprehension. Once you are approved, you immediately begin to get access to projects that you can perform per hour. And like I said earlier, you can handle multiple projects in order to make more money. So how do you get paid on this website? So payments are made weekly through PayPal, Payoneer, or other supported platforms. On your dashboard, you can choose the option that you want. And again, doing multiple projects will go a long way in increasing your income. So guys, personally, I believe that this is a very good passive income opportunity. So if you have free time with you can go ahead and register and try your hands on these projects. And if you have any issue with the test, you can let me know so that we can find a way to help you pass the test. I purposely decided to leave it out of this video, but we can help you to pass the test in case you find it difficult. But it is very simple. It is just checking your grammar, your logic, and your comprehension. So guys, this is it for today. If you find any information that helped you in this video, go ahead and help us to grow by subscribing, liking, and commenting AI money in the comment section so that this will help to improve the algorithm. It will also help me to make further videos on this kind of opportunities. And watch out for my next video that will also show you another website where you can even make more money faster. See you in my next video.